Didis is an organization by the women, for the women and of the women, right? And our whole goal is to empower, encourage and equip. In 2008, we started a venture called Sisters in Solidarity. There was a group of us, we just contributed 5,000 rupees each, and we decided that we would have an organization that would work for women's empowerment. And the idea was to work for girls, the mothers of our Prerna school, which is a school for girls from very poor neighborhoods. These mothers had no work, they were destitute and prey to their husbands' beatings as they were prey to alcohol. So the goal was to give them something to do, to give them a sustainable livelihood. We have study hall as a canteen which we had contracted out, and we decided no, the women know how to cook, why can't they handle the canteen? So one of our teachers, Veena Anand, she was a second grade teacher teaching class 2, and I asked her if she would take it over and she said yes, she stepped up.
दीदीज़ हमारा एक ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है जिसको ऋषि सानी जी ने स्टार्ट किया और ये 2008 में हमने शुरू किया था. I was teaching here in study hall, and that time she told me to do something with our Prerna girls. Then she thought to start Didis. So we started it with the school canteen, with the chocolate making.
We all feel very passionately about the whole Didis cause and initiative that we are a part of. Our Didis feel as if they are at home, as if they are with their sisters, which is what we are, a unit of sisters in solidarity. We treat our women as family members and we talk to them about their issues at home, about how they feel at work, about empowering them on various levels.
हमारे हस्बैंड बीमार हो गए थे तो हमारे घर में कोई हेल्प करने वाला नहीं था, तो हमको जाहिर सी बात करना पड़ा, काम करना पड़ा. तकलीफ़ थी घर में, काम वाम पैसा वैसे की परेशानी थी, इसलिए यहाँ आए तो दीदीपुर में काम करने लगे. अब अच्छा हो गया, सब बढ़िया अच्छे से कम, बच्चों को भी खर्चा दे रहे हैं, कमा रहे हैं, पढ़ा रहे हैं, हम लोग भी अच्छे से खा कर रहे हैं.
We are catering to almost all the corporates, the well-known corporates in the city. So that Didis is now not only dealing with Didis Foods.
Didis Foods, Didis Creations and Didis Driving.
So we are not only catering to school, we've taken over the canteen of another school, but we are sending lunches and running canteens for several other corporates. Didi is a social enterprise, and what I mean by social enterprise is that it is meant to make profit. It is meant to deal with the market forces and to compete in the market. At the same time, all the profit is meant to go towards Prerna, where they are giving a midday meal, and there are 800 girls there. And the idea is to provide employment and sustainable livelihoods to as many women as we can.
आई थी यहाँ पे पर्पस से, अकाउंटिंग के पर्पस से, और उसी हिसाब से जॉब भी मिली. टैली कर रहे थे, ऑर्डर्स जो होते हैं वो देखते हैं, कॉल अटेंड करते हैं.
मैं पहले यहाँ पे कैंटीन इंचार्ज थी, अब 1 साल से मैं स्टोर इंचार्ज हूँ.
दीदीज़ में मुझे काम करते हुए 3 साल हो गए हैं और अभी मैं दीदीज़ का यूनिफॉर्म स्टोर हैंडल कर रही हूँ. पहले मैंने इसमें सेल्स से शुरुआत की थी. मुझे हर चीज़ के बारे में इतनी ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं थी और अभी मैं सभी चीज़ों को बेहतर तरीके से डील कर लेती हूँ और अपने डीलर से भी बात करती हूँ. साथ में यहाँ से जाने के बाद स्कूल से दीदीज़ में सिलाई करती हूँ, फिनिशिंग वर्क करती हूँ, उसके साथ और भी जो छोटे मोटे काम होते हैं वो सारे करती हूँ.
Our creations unit started with only the uniforms of Didis, but now it's running a boutique. It is dealing with tailoring. It sells gift items of a great variety.
और जैसे एक हमने स्टोर खोला है उसमें किया है, अब हमारा और है कि नेक्स्ट हम लोग सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स का एक सेंटर खोलने जा रहे हैं, उसका प्रोजेक्ट है, तो उसमें हम किसी को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाएंगे.
We have also been able to spawn 2 entrepreneurs, and that's the second goal, that we want to not just create sustainable livelihoods within Didis, we want to create more entrepreneurs out of people, out of poor women, who can then employ more women. So we gave up our parlor to a woman, and she has increased the sales enormously. I think she has a monthly sale, as she was reporting, as to 75,000, 80,000. In fact, her husband left his employment. He was a driver, and he has also joined her, and together they are making waves. We just recently started a chakki. We make masalas, but we didn't have places, so we put it in another woman's house, and the idea is that she should do the masala grinding and then sell it to us, and then we will sell it further, and she can take business from wherever she.
Let me talk about one particular girl in point, Kunti Rawat. Kunti was a Prerna girl to start with, and when she graduated, she joined the Didis team.
काफ़ी कुछ सीखा मैंने, काफ़ी मिस्टेक्स की और धीरे धीरे सीखते गए। उसके बाद मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया और यूएस से डिग्री की, स्कॉलरशिप मिले मुझे। वहाँ पे मैंने बिज़नेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का कोर्स किया। फिर इधर एमबीए वापस आके एमबीए कर रही हूँ अभी, और मेरी इंटर्नशिप चल रही है एयरसेल में।
And through that, she's been able to go from working in Didi's Foods as in the packaging unit to now doing the finances of Didi's.
इनकरेज किया दीदीज़ ने मुझे करने के लिए। मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा आत्मनिर्भर बनी, इंडिपेंडेंट, और अपने आप को जानने लगी। आई एम बीइंग मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि दीदीज़ जैसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हर जगह हो।
We also have the first professional woman driver in UP, and we are and we've trained a second one. We would like to have more. In fact, we want to then have them run their own rickshaws. So though we started as a foods unit and then going on to clothing, we're not stopping there. We would really like to have rickshaws also for women.
दीदी जब हमारी छोटी सी थी, बड़ी हो गई, तो ये हुआ कि अब खाना कैसे जाएगा, कैसे वो होगा। तो ये हुआ आप गाड़ी निखरा लो, गाड़ी निखरा करके फिर हमको गाड़ी सिखाएगा। फिर ट्रेनिंग हमको 15 दिन की दी गई। फिर हम इसके बाद महीना भर के बाद हम अपने हाथ गाड़ी चलाने लगे।
Over the last 6 years, we've tried to create a universe of care through our endeavor and the family that we have, that we've put together, which encourage, equip and empower our women.
And I must say that our CEO Veena, that even though she's just a teacher, which just tells you she has done marvelously. She's one of the Goldman Sachs 10,000 women, and very recently they chose 2 social entrepreneurs from the country to go for further training to the US, and she's one of them. So it just shows you that if women want to do something, there is no limit to where they can go, and sky is the limit. So I think if Didis can succeed in all these ways, it's a very important contribution to make to women in Lucknow, and I'm hoping all India, and then eventually internationally.